Hello, this is Outdoors with Robert, and I am Robert. I thought I'd bring you along today. Today's video is going to be on my Wolfridge 28 Pro C. Now, I've had this log splitter for, I guess it's been about a year and a half. Before I had it, it was owned by, well, I bought it from Wolfridge, but the previous person that used it was Rick's Outdoors. And so this has spent a lot of time sitting outside, and you might want to check what's going on mine with yours. But the rubber boot here, that's like a dust cap to this where the controls go into the machine, has started to fail. And I noticed it last year, and I had a couple instances where it was really cold in the morning and they were literally stuck in place. So I was really concerned about it freezing, potentially damaging this. And I thought I'd bring it along because there's a good possibility that if yours has been around for a while, that the boots are going bad on yours as well. And I got the replacement boots from Wolfridge. I think they were like $3 or $4 a piece, so there's no real money involved there. But I think it might be able to save, wear and tear, definitely keeping dust and dirt out, but potentially more damage than that if you get water in there and it freezes repeatedly, because it looks like it's cast aluminum there where that would potentially hold water. So let me get you a closer up look here, and we'll change these out. I think it's going to be a pretty quick process, but I'll bring you along. So these rubber boots make a tight connection between where the handle goes back and forth here, like this, and the body of the control here. And I just noticed that, like this one, I push it, it's split there, so it's going to let water and dirt into that area. And obviously, they put those boots on it because they want to keep that from happening. So the first thing I thought I would do. I'm not sure that I need to remove these handles, but I didn't want to overstretch that, so I removed the first one, and it came off pretty easy. It's not threaded, it's just knurled vertically, but a little bit of a twist and I can get that off of there. So let me get these off as well. All right, so I've got those off of there. The next thing I want to do is remove these rubber boots, and they're in pretty bad shape. Guess I can use my knife here and give it a little gentle persuasion. And since these rubber boots were compromised, I thought it'd be a good idea to use a little compressed air and blow that out. Make sure you're wearing eye protection. Now that we have this cleaned out, I'm going to take just a little bit of hand soap and put on here as a little bit of a lubricant. Try to keep from causing stress and potential damage to the new boots on there. And we'll slide this down on here. Make sure it's seated there. Get a little twist and make sure that it's seated on there properly. I think really most of us probably either don't pay attention to that or figure it's a pain to replace. But you can see that it goes pretty easily. And I think just a little bit of work and you will prolong the life of the valve body here. There we go. New rubber boots on there, and we are ready to go again. There you go. Just a simple tip I think will really help prolong the life of that. I'm assuming that the majority of the people that are splitting wood have temperatures that can freeze, and you'd hate for water to get in there. Besides that, just just the wear and tear of having dust and dirt in there, it's good to replace these caps. So that's it for today. I thought I'd just bring you along as I did that little bit of work, and now it's time to go split some wood. I appreciate you taking time to be with me today. Have a great day.